Shoe Workshop, I will show and explain to you all how we make a wooden shoe, at least nowadays. 木刀的木屑，白杨木，白杨木，新鲜的木头，湿的，容易剪。The wood we use to make the wooden shoes, poplar, Canadian poplar, fresh, wet, and easy to cut. More or less cuts like cheese. 以前的手工它都外面。In the early days, the entire outside shape of a wooden shoe, what you see here, was made with this big knife and all done by hand. Wan For the inside, several sizes of spoon scoops are needed. Shogun, 2到3个小时. And Chichi, 5分钟. To make a pair by hand takes 2 hours. On the machines nowadays, just 5 minutes. 这个与我们人机器配钥匙一样，怎么配钥匙呢？ What we have here is a copy machine. Works the same way as duplicating a key. Model on one side, the knives take away the wood while following the model. We'll start with the outside shape. Here we go. Why me? The outside shape. Okay, Gigi, wa, linien. So same system for the inside applies. Again, we make a copy of the model.
Sekarang buat alatnya. And the inside shape, 里面。
新鲜的木头，湿的木头。The wood is still very wet. I will try to show you.
Ayo. Masih basah banget mah.
So, mga punga, sandal sagasunchi. Takes 3 to 4 weeks to dry it slowly, and then afterwards they're polished outside and inside. Poplar, poplar. Chicken boucher,
Jadinya begitu.
sesuai the height. The result is a light wooden shoe to fit a child of about 4 years old. And they're all big, fades on top. Good safety shoes, fades on chin. And they're waterproof, feng shui. Best way to wear them, thick woolen socks for comfort. The one finger space, extra room behind the heel when you try them on. Make sure that they're too big. Tiger shorts. Okay, shishi. Thank you for your attention. Look around. Have a nice day.